Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are happy, healthy and staying at home. And with this, all of you are studying well? Yes? Very good. So, kids, tell me, are you taking precautions to protect yourself from corona? Yes? Very good. And I told you before also that you should do exercise every day. Are you doing this? Yes? Very good. I know you all are doing this because you all are good children. So, now before starting our class, let's do some warm-up exercises because it's too cold. है ना? And every ma'am is telling you to wear woolen clothes to keep yourself warm. Okay? So, let's do some warm-up exercises. Are you ready? Stand up all of you. Okay? And do as ma'am is doing. Rub, rub, rub your hands. Rub, rub, rub your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Ooh, see your palms get warm. Roll, roll, roll your hands. Roll, roll, roll your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Wave, wave, wave your hands. Wave, wave, wave your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. I hope you all have get charged. So, are you ready for the class? Yes? Very good. Today we are going to learn a new number. That is number 26. Which number? 26. Okay? See? 2, 6. And together it makes 26. But before that, as I told you before also, that you should do revision. So let's revise some numbers which we have done earlier and do a fun activity. Okay? See, there are some shapes. Okay? And with this activity, kids, you will be able to revise the shapes and number as well. And we are going to stick some stickers. Okay? Ma'am is having some stickers. But if you don't have stickers at home, you can take your mama's bindi. Okay? Or you can draw any shape also, like circle, triangle. Okay? So, come, I'll show you what is the activity is all about. See, these are the shapes and these are the blank cards where we are going to stick the stickers according to the number. Okay, मैम जो ये नंबर है इसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम यहाँ पे स्टिकर्स लगाएंगे. Okay, first we will recognize the number and shape. Tell me, which shape is this? Circle. Very good. And which number is this? 9. Very good. And now we are going to stick some colorful smileys. How many smileys we will put? 9. Okay. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, we have put 9 smileys. Okay. Now come to the next shape, a number. Which shape is this? Do you recognize it? Yes, I know we have done. This is a square which has 4 equal sides. Okay? And which number is this? See carefully. 12. Very good. 12. What comes after 11? 12. Okay. Now see, ma'am is having some bindis. Okay. So we will stick only 12 bindis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so we have put 12 in these. Now see, next shape is triangle. Yes, very good. And triangle has 3 sides. Okay, and which number is this? Tell me. 17. This is 17. So we are going to put 17 stickers. Oh, see, wow, ma'am is having some cartoon sticker. Okay. So let's get pasted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this is last 17. So see, we have pasted 17 cartoon stickers. Now ma'am is having some colorful stars. Okay, so we will paste them. But first recognize which number is this? 21. Which number is this? 21. And this is rectangle shape. Okay, and rectangle shape has equal opposite sides. Okay, इसके आमने सामने की जो sides होती है वो equal होती है. So how many stars we will put? 21. Okay, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So see, we have put 21 stars. Okay. Now next shape is, you all must know that this is a star And which number is this? 25. Very good. This is number 25. And what we are going to stick? Smileys. Okay. And this is, what are these? Smileys. And you should be happy. Okay. You should keep smiling. So we will stick 25 smileys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and last 25. Okay, so we have pasted 25 golden smileys. Okay, you all love to get the smileys from ma'am na, so you should do your work neatly. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Okay, so try to do this activity at your home. Now come to the number of today's lesson, that is 26. That is number 26. Okay. Now this is a math. All of you know. Okay. So now we are going to put these circles in it. How many? 26. Because today's number is 26. Okay. So start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and this is 25. Oh, no, there is no circle, but ma'am is having another mat. So, ma'am will put it here. Okay, 25. Then what comes after 25? 26. So, see, we have put 26 circles. So, now come, I'll teach you how you will write number 26 in your maths notebook. Okay, kids? See, this is your maths notebook page. Okay, so how you will start writing? First of all, you will write T O and leave one line, then again T O, then leave one line, then again T O. T for tens, O for ones. Okay, so you will write 2 under the line of T, and here 6 will come. So it will make number 26. 26. 6. You will speak also. Okay? When you write, you will speak. First you will write 2, then 6. All of you know how to write number 2 and 6. So you will write 2 under the line of T and 6 under the line of O. T for tens, O for ones. Okay, kids? 26. 26. See, like this you also have to speak while writing. जैसे मैम बोल रही हैं वैसे ही आपको भी बोलना है. And each and every number should touch the bottom line. ये bottom line को touch करना है आपने. Okay? 26. Now start the third line. 26. 26. Which number is this? 26. Okay? 26. You will not say 26. You will speak 26. Okay? 26. 26. So, like this, you will write one page of writing of number 26 in your maths notebook. That is your yellow notebooks, and you will send it to your class teacher. So kids, today we have done lots of fun activity which you can try at your home. Okay, and we have learned a new number, that is number 26. Okay, and we have learned also how to write it. Okay, so do this work and send it to your class teacher. Bye kids.